blowing against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Business is never so healthy as when, like a chicken, it must do a certain amount of scratching around for what it gets. I do not believe a man can ever leave his business. He ought to think of it by day and dream of it by night. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. I do not believe a man can ever leave his business. He ought to think of it by day and dream of it by night. Exercise is bunk. If you are healthy, you don't need it. If you are sick, you should not take it. Time and money spent in helping men to do more for themselves is far better than mere giving. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. A market is never saturated with a good product, but it is very quickly saturated with a bad one. I believe God is managing affairs and that He doesn't need any advice from me. With God in charge, I believe everything will work out for the best in the end. So what is there to worry about?